girl that looks like a boy. Huh? Good morning from Brisbane. So today ay kakaiba guys from the last few days. So the sun is picking up. Ayan. So it looks nice outside. And alam nyo kapag ganito yung panahon, na-excite ka rin lumabas. Si Daddy Mike tsaka si Ate Paris, si Celine ay lumabas na pala. Kami lang dito, dalawa ni Ate Paris. Have a look. Oh, what did you do, anak? Did you shake it, shake it, shake it? Did you shake it, shake it, shake it? Tignan nyo, good morning, di kan tita at tito. Hey, hey. Say good morning, tita. Gugu. Gugu kaka. Tignan nyo ang kanyang buhok. Tignan nyo ang kanyang suot, guys. Which shirt is this one, no? Huh? Which shirt is that one? Dida.
Gugu.
Sinuot niya yung t-shirt ng kanyang daddy kagabi. Kasi alam niyo, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, nangangati siya. And gusto ko loose yung kanyang damit pag natulog siya. Anyways, nag-book kami ng appointment sa manggagamot. Hindi ko na i-English kasi maintindihan. Kasi meron yan siyang nilalagay namin na cream. What's wrong? Uy, ayun na. May nilalagay kaming cream dyan sa kanya. And it really helps guys. Pag nilalagay namin, hindi na siya nangangati. Tapos, kailangan kasing may, prescription.
I want to go to Daddy.
Do you? Daddy's coming this one. Tingnan nyo. We're making pancake.
To get.
Okay, do it. Shake it, shake it. So, kailangan namin humingi ng prescription galing sa manggagamot na. And
How
si
many
Daddy yung,
number? It's done.
Okay, 10.
You
Oh, I
count.
think the washing is finished na to na. Sige, sige, count. 1, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Babe, I think it's okay na. Hindi ko muna papakita yung sarili ko, guys, because I look horrible. Alam niya na, mom life, early in the morning. And it's very hot now.
Mommy, can we see?
Yeah, I'll put you up there na. So, naglaba din ako kaninang umaga, guys. Kasi alam niyo, sobrang aga nagising ni baby Celine natin ba? Well, actually, gumising siya ng 3:30 ba yun? And then, I took her out here dyan. Nagpatingin-tingin ko siya sa mga, sa mga lights. Kasi, di ba, madilim pa. And then, nagising siya ulit, 7:30. Oh, naglaba na lang ako, guys. Ang ganda ng washing machine na to. Oh. Nasanay kasi ako sa amin na nasira. So, always siya parang basa siya kung lalabas. Ito is, tingnan nyo, parang very nakusot talaga siya ba. Wala kang bahid tubig na ma-fill. Ayan. Tapos, i-move na natin dito sa dryer. And very handy, diba? Meron silang ganito dito. Kasi, last day na pala namin dito, guys. Today. Bukas ay... Ito na laban. Bukas ay ibang na naman tayo. Ibang palasyo na naman tayo. That's why naglaba ako today para pag-move natin doon sa kabilang bahay ay malinis na yung mga damit ng mga tao dito. Ayan. Oh, good. Looks good. Tapos maglalagay ako, may isang load pa, and then that's it. Try it for normal try. Maybe 30 minutes? Should be fine. You can always do it like there you go. So, ayan yung washing machine, tapos yung dryer ay nandyan. Okay. Balik tayo dito sa ating pancake. Okay, Nak? You ready, Nak? Okay, I'll get you to sit here.
I want to make a big one. But I want to make a big cup.
Wow.
It's a lot.
You like it?
Mine, can we sell that thing?
Yeah, this one is just big one. I'll use the long one.
Small. Let me.
Oh, you big girl.
No, I small these. Small, these small. This small one. This small.
Let's use this one now.
Ma, I think I want to do it.
It's a bit hard, Anak.
Eat this one.
This might be too thick. Actually, yeah. Yeah.
That's too big for me. But that's too big. Mommy, that's big.
Thick. It's too thick. Ay, good. But the thing when you'll be better, okay? I can't wait for you to get better.
Mommy. That's button.
One minute. Whoop.
Now blow.
Blow. Yan lang. English yun, ano? Hindi maganda yung pagka-flip. Are you laughing at me? Hmm? Pinayan, ay. Madideform din naman yun pagdating sa chan. Yan, okay. Next one. Where are we going, Paris? We're gonna go see the house. Yeah. Oh, poop. No crying. There you go. Hello, my babasilin. Tingnan, nabasa na naman sa kanyang laway.
Come in. Watch your feet, Paris.
Oopsie.
My doesn't fit.
Ano? This is too big.
Yeah. It's all super big.
Yan. Time is 11:41. Ayan, oh. 11:41. 12 o'clock yung ating
Mommy, 1201.
inspection, guys.
Mommy?
So, hindi naman siya malayo dito.
Mommy,
Very close.
1201.
1201. Okay, my love. Is that your favorite number? Yes, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Go.
Should I ask it, babe? Ah, kami na talagang ipaparent nito ba? Si mukhang CEO. What's CEO? Ang ating Daddy, my
Okay, it's fine.
Okay. Alright, sweetheart. Hold Mama's hand. Oh, I love it here, guys. Sobrang cool, very cool.
Do you love the smell?
Yes, anak. I like the smell too. Pala kami, Uber. Uber pa more. Uber pa more.
What's the address?
Wala pa rin yung sasakyan natin dito sa Brisbane, guys. Tinawagan sila kanina ni Daddy Mike. Wala daw sumasagot. So, ayan. Uber muna tayo. Hindi siya malayo kasi sabi mga lang, approximately $10 lang. 7 minutes away. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ganda ng araw, no? Very warm. Hello, my beautiful girl. Hello, my beautiful girl.
Where's the purple blue? Yeah.
Huh?
The purple scooter.
There'll be one around.
Next time, my love.
Daddy, can I have that candy?
4 minutes away ang ating driver.
Yeah, we'll get one if you're a good girl. And you
Tingnan
don't
nyo
cry
guys,
then.
oh, kawawa oh, nangangati. Pero meron na kaming prescription from the doctor, so bibilhin na lang namin and she will feel better. Looking forward to it. Naawa talaga ako guys kapag tingnan nyo, oh. Ang liig talaga niya yung sobra guys. Show me, babe?
Can we get the same candy as that girl?
A few moments later.
I think that's it guys, so my welcome. Diyan. Very much. Hinahawakan ko ang ating baby Celine. Okay, I think this is it.
Oh no.
Not yet, my love. Yeah, I know. Location check.
Mommy, but I want
But
to
we'll
stay
see.
here. Mommy, but I want to stay here, Mommy.
Oh, hmm?
But I want to stay here.
Do you want to start here? There you go. Oh, I'll put Celine down, bro.
Yeah, put Selena.
So here's the kitchen. Yeah, sa living area, it's good kasi may dalawang sliding door. Yung main issue ko lang talaga dito guys is, I think, no, this is just it. It's the storage. Paris, Nicole! Lilinisan pa daw to guys kasi bago lang daw umalis yung nag-rent dito.
Mommy, what?
So see what I told you about? It's a bit tight, yeah? There's a bathroom.
You basically using this storage.
Just kawawa naman ang ating mga girl. Yes, ate?
You want to check out the other rooms?
Yes, we will. So, sinasabi nilang dalawang bedrooms guys, but you know, the other one is just like study room. So there's no wardrobe. So ganito lang siya guys. Meron siyang isang,
You basically have to use this as storage.
yeah. What's this one? Is this, oh, is it this?
Yeah.
As well?
Mommy,
Yes, no?
I'll show you something here.
And then this is the main bedroom. So this is it guys. Ito lang yung bed. It's nice though. Like it's really, the area is perfect. Malapit yung tubig. Nandyan lang guys. Oh. And then meron siyang yard na ganyan sa front. It's super like, yung light ba? Diretso dito. Super bright dito sa loob ng kwarto. Tapos may sliding door to get out here. Ang yard. Then dyan yung ano, entrance. But yeah, it's just the storage, guys. And then yung ano, dyan, yung washing machine. But it's nice. I like it, the open space. You know what I mean? It's just, again, Daddy, it's very hard to, if we get this one, and it's very hard because there's no space for
Daddy, how come come
dining
out?
table. Again,
Yeah, how
you know,
come
we really
come out,
wanted to
Daddy?
place for dining table, guys. Kasi diba sa Mountway, really wala kaming dining table. Kasi the space is very limited.
Oh, yes, I know.
How come come out, Daddy?
Huh?
Yes,
I really like it.
So you want me to put the charm on?
Huh?
You want me to go and put the charm on?
The what?
You want me to go and put the charm on? If I need to, if you want me to put the charm on, I'll show you. Yeah, princess?
And then oh no, it's probably country. What?
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's no. And then palabas, I don't know what's in there.
Can we go put the charm on?
A few moments later.
Dito kami ngayon sa second house, guys. So it's one of these units here, this unit 5. So I'm pretty sure it's upstairs. Alam niyo naman, hindi talaga ako sa upstairs guys. Kasi nga diba may mga, kung may stairs na ganyan, mahirapan ako sa ating pram. 1 o'clock yung inspection. And it is 12:55 now. So we're just waiting. And Dad is doing the application for the first one. Kasi alam niyo naman, you have to act fast. So we'll never know if matatanggap or not. So if you get it now, if you apply it now, then yeah.
How far is this place from you?
Huh?
How far is it from here to the city?
15.
15.
15 minutes. So nag-Uber ulit kami papunta dito. Marami ng mga tao dumarating. Nagsisidatingan na sa dating. Nagsisidatingan na sila. Baby still sleeping.
Oh, the sprayer.
Give me some knock be.
A sprayer.
This one is very quiet guys kasi there's no through road.
It's a sprayer.
So walang dyan. There will be a quiet road. Walang masyadong init.
And then that's spray.
Yeah, give me some. Thank you.
Mommy, that's actually spray, Mommy.
Mm.
Don't drink it, spray.
Oh, it tastes like spray. Alam niyo guys, sobrang init. Grabe. Sobrang init. 1:50 ng hapon guys. Nandito kami sa Subway. So, Clayfield. You had ice cream already, ano?
No.
Okay, have a look at her face. Kaya, oh, guys, oh. Nag-green na sa ice cream. Gusto na naman niya ng ice cream.
No, it was just kiwi.
Oh, she's kiwi. Enough na anak ice cream because you're itching. Well, that's because of the ice cream. So, naglakad kami dito from the second inspection, guys. And,
Mommy,
I
it's
think
kiwi.
kiwi, okay.
Mommy, it's kiwi.
After dito, cash na naman kami ng Uber. Pauwi na kami ng city. And then, pupunta kami ng chemist kasi bibili kami ng tawag ito, cream para sa kanyang kati-kati.
I love kiwi.
Oh, sing for her.
Twinkle, twinkle.
Now, sing the Cover Me in Sunshine now.
Cover me in the shine. Cover me in good time. Fire roll is again.
Oh no. What is wrong, my little girl that looks like a boy? Huh? Ay, nakapupo. I can smell you. Okay.
Hello, Mommy.
Alright, we'll just change the bam. What's that now? You choose lagi which one.
Puzzle, Mommy.
Which one gani? Okay, I'm going to install. Hang on. Daddy, where's the wipes, please, Daddy, babe? Is there? Oh, okay. No more crying na. We will change the bam now, okay? It's getting dark na. Tingnan nyo, oh, lalaba. Look, excuse me, no. Naglaba ako, guys. Ayan. What is it, Daddy? Do you wanna show?
I'm gonna show you.
Tingnan nyo to. Ayan, yung cover ng pram ni Baby Celine kasi sobrang dirty, guys. Nilabhan ko rin. Then, we'll come here kasi Daddy wants to show us something. Daddy! Tingnan yung ginagawa niya, guys. Para sa work niya. It's very dark. Cover me in sunshine!
Mommy, I can hear my stomach.
Okay, now that's for your heart na. Gusto ipakita ni Daddy Mike yung mga napamili niyang mga damit. Namili kasi siya for work, guys. Kasi start na si Daddy Mike mag-work ngayong a week from now. Actually, yeah. Next Monday, mag-work na si Daddy Mike. Bumili siya ng ano ba ito, mga pants. Gusto niyang ipakita. Busy pa man. May ginagawa.
It's like a family. First things first, my chino shorts.
Can you wear like this to work?
Yeah, like with a shirt, but like with the polo shirt.
You like it?
And my new shoes, yeah.
Tinitingnan ko ang ating baby girl kasi tignan nyo. Rolling in the deep. Ka ba?
Get up, please, Paris.
Come on, get up, my love.
I'm showing you. I'm showing Mommy something. Come on.
I'm like, Celine, oh, just watching TV, oh, like a good girl. What's wrong? Tatagak pa dyan. Yeah. It's okay. Hi, Nana. Shh. Shh. Celine.
Something of the girl.
Hello, your Ate Paris is crying. Ate Paris is crying while Celine is just chilling.
No, I want him. I'm a big girl.
You are a good girl.
I'm
This one?
the best.
Yeah. Another one, is that red or pink?
Pink, bub.
Mom, can I see
Colorblind.
the pink?
This
I wanna
one.
see the pink.
Yeah, bongga din si Daddy Mike and Ralph. Oh, how much are they, Bob? Are they like 100 something each?
Don't worry.
From 169 to 118. And there's blue. So, that's what they said, guys. If you like something and it fits you well, then get them all in, all the colors available.
Do you like it?
That's what Daddy done here. Then you blue, pink, yellow. What else? Jack and Jones.
Nice. Huh?
Hi, Nana. Celine.
Nice one.
Ay, ready na talaga si Daddy
Ah.
Mike sa kanyang new work.
Nice shoes.
Just excuse this one, ha? Little girl here, oh. Alam niyo ba, very sleepy yan siya. Kasi kanina, nung pagka-uwi namin galing sa Oh, did you find the
Oh, no, I went to
lights?
get them. I went to get new one. I went to get another one.
Ito, iba rin ang shoes eh.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's cool. Kasi nakatulog ba siya sa, sa Uber. Tapos nagising kasi dumating kami dito. Hindi na siya natulog ulit. Kaya yan siya yan, payat-iyak.
And Mommy, just chuck. I don't want to have to pick it up because some is mine.
Sure, Daddy na. Is that yours?
No, it's mine.
That's Paris' favorite juice. It's a green juice. That is cooking for breakfast.
Mommy,
Yes, Baba.
let's do the same one.
Which one?
The one I give to Daddy and they said mine. And the one I was eating my snack in the train.
Okay.
I'm gonna do the same one.
Daddy, that's not yours, Daddy.
Mine.
Gusto niya ang ganyang laro, guys. Gusto namin siyang unom niya, no? Tapos na naman.
Does it smoke in here or not?
No. Just, I can smell the meat. Nag-constipate na naman. Baby shark! Baby shark! Niluto namin, guys, kasi last night na namin dito. So, we have to consume whatever we can. Pero hindi na namin kailangang dalhin. Pero alam nyo ba, yung place namin tomorrow, ay dito na rin sa area na to. Very dark na. Sa area din na to, guys. It's not far. Time check, guys. Super late now. What's the time, Daddy? Oh, it's already 12 midnight. Nanood kasi kami ni Daddy ng guys. What was about? Single Inferno. It's Korean date ba? Daddy loves date.
You want to go on a date?
Okay, sure, Daddy. Yan, kailangan na natin maghilamos kasi very oily na ang ating mukha. Yun lang yung ganap natin for today. So, dalawa yung bahay na in-inspect namin. The first one, yun talaga yung like namin, where Daddy already sent the application. Didn't you, Daddy?
Mm-mm.
Yeah. So, we thought it was pretty small, guys. But, for the area, sobrang lapit lang sa city. And, it feels like, yun bang, alam mo, pag pumasok ka sa bahay or pag nasa area ka, you feel like, you know, it's your area, yung ganun, yun yung na-feel ko actually. Are you the same, Daddy?
But I like Beth and Gary. Beth and Gary felt like my area.
Yeah, no. The first one, guys, yung diba nung na-miss namin.
Daddy wanted this Aboriginal dance.
Nung na-miss namin na the other day. Ay, hindi talaga doon, guys. Anyway, so nag-send si Daddy ng application. So we'll see how it goes with that one. The second one, hindi na ako pumasok. So Daddy Mike and Ate Paris went inside. But that's impossible kasi it's Unit 5 and 3 stories, Daddy? Yeah, 3 palapag, guys. Tatlong palapag bago ka makarating sa taas. And, you know, we have pram and also, you know, it's not convenient for me. Kaya, yeah, ikis na yun siya. Wala na yun siyang ano. And then tomorrow, so it's our last night here. We're going to pack tomorrow morning. And then at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, meron kaming isang, inspection ulit bukas. So we'll see how that goes. But it'll be interesting to know na yung first application. You reckon, Daddy?
I don't want to jinx it.
Yeah, I know. Right. We'll just see how it goes, guys. But at least we have the application in. And, you know, what was the ball is in their court.
Yeah.
The ball is in their court now, so we'll just have to wait for the feedback. But yeah, that's about it for today's video. Are you excited for tomorrow? We have another house inspection.
Yes. I'm not excited about moving.
Which one? Oh yeah, I know. So we have to go to our new place tomorrow.
Lucky it's not.
But it's not far though, Daddy.
No, it's not. But I'm still not excited about it.
Why? Oh yeah, is it because it's smaller? What?
Yeah, and I'm just not excited about it. Like I hate
moving
picking
around
up
with
and moving around, packing, unpacking.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
We have lots of stuff, guys. Anyways, this would be the last move. Well, second and the last move. So after this, it will be our, long-term one. But yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. The kids are actually asleep now, obviously.
Hint, hint.
Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Be bad. Be naughty.
be careful. Bye.